So guys, here I am before you, and the title of this YouTube video is the best free VPNs available in 2025 for PC. So here I'll be talking about certain VPNs which are free but are best in their own arenas and also the best in the year 2025. So, have you ever found yourself in a situation in which you are unable to access a website, unable to buy a product, or unable to open an app just because that particular app website does not function in your country? Yes, these are the instances that I personally have faced too. And to solve that problem, we have VPNs. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and these come to our aid in order to access those websites and apps which are not functional in our own country but functional in some other country. By with a click of just connect, you easily get connected to different countries network, and your IP address gets changed, and you can easily access those websites within few seconds. Yes, so the names of those VPNs is PrivadoVPN and ProtonVPN. We'll be walking through the process of using these VPNs very easily. So let's start with PrivadoVPN. You can download these applications directly from Google, and from the Google website you can just type in Privado VPN download and Proton VPN download. Then you can easily download them and click on the install button, and as soon as you set up that, installation is complete, and then you can launch those apps in your PC. So as you can see, this is the interface. Now for the sign up process, what you need to do, you just need to do very few things. Just type in your email, and then a verification email will be sent to your mail. After that, what needs to be done is nothing. It's very easy to verify your email and you get access to your account. So what basically we are doing is we are working in both the VPNs on the free plan model. Now let's see what various services it offers. So here is the settings option. So here you can see the VPN is there. So if you click on auto connect, what it actually does, it automatically connects to your preferred server as soon as your app launches. So I just click over here. So recommended country, if I select the country that I want to connect to, it will easily connect to that. Connect to last selected, like the application which once I opened and the last country which I already selected, as soon as I launch this app, that same country will be selected as my preferred country. It would be random as well and random to favorites. Locations, like this application automatically decides on the basis of which method to choose the best location. There are various other methods like geography, on the basis of that you can do, on the basis of latency, on the basis of what others you can do. Like latency stands for calculation based on ping test. Second, geography stands for instant calculation based on geographic coordinates and shorter distance. So if I'm staying in India, this geo model will do what? It will immediately search for the best and nearest VPN available in my surroundings. And according to the geography, it might be in Pakistan, it might be in China, and so on. And there are certain Proton VPN protocols, and this is what basically what we do not need to touch or just shift. Now here's a very curious and amazing option, kill switch. What it does, it suspends all open internet applications and browsers if you get disconnected from the Privado VPN client. Let's say you unexpectedly, due to certain circumstances, you get disconnected from the VPN and you're accessing certain websites which are not legal in your own country. Then your IP address can easily be tracked and you can be a victim of a crime which you don't want it to like actually commit. And here kill switch comes to your rescue. After you turn on the kill switch, as soon as you by mistake gets off the VPN, your internet connection will easily be turned off so that your IP cannot be tracked. Here is a smart route. In this, you allow some applications to connect via secure tunnel connection and others to bypass it without changing network settings and without disabling VPN. So guys, that is basic entire about what Privado VPN is. So now let's learn how to use it. Just go on VPN. First we click on cancel. So now here you can see click to connect. Here is we can select the location. Here is the kill switch, which is disabled. You can easily like enable it. Here is the protocol. Here is the smart route, and here is the control tower. So basically now what we'll do is we'll select a location. So let's say here is it written what latency low to high. So we click on latency low to high. We go on Buenos Aires. We click on this and we try to connect to it. So now what is happening? My IP address is getting changed and I'm being connected to a VPN, like virtual private network, and that location is based in where? In Buenos Aires, in Argentina. So if I'm being tracked down, my IP address will show that I'm currently being operated in where? In Buenos Aires itself. So yes, that is how Privado VPN actually works. So now let's wrap this up and go on to our next VPN, that is Proton VPN. So we just click on cross button. Now here is the Proton button. Now Proton VPN is actually similar because it actually provides you the same things, but it is different in various aspects. So as you can see here, these is the free model over here. Now we just go over here and search for the various kinds of things that it offers. We just go on account. So here we are working on the free Proton account. In this Proton free account, we get one VPN connection. The speed is medium. We get 167 servers in 5 countries, and there is strict no logos policy. But if you want to buy a VPN Plus, you get 10 VPN connections, high speed, 1147 servers in 117 countries. Strict no logos policies again. You even get an ad blocker. That is an add-on. This is how this Proton VPN gets differentiated from Privado VPN. Next, you have secure core VPN, and you have Tor over VPN and P2B or BitTorrent support. That is the plus version for you guys. Now let's see what other features are. So as you can see, secure core. So what is actually secure core? This routes your most sensitive data through Proton VPN's safest servers in privacy friendly countries. And that is a very pro version or the pro thing about using this Proton VPN. Here right now it's turned off, but here you need to buy the plan or plus plan in order to access this feature. Here is the NetShield. In this, you need to browse the internet without ads and malware. Then what? You need to buy the plus version for this as well. Otherwise, you can't access this feature. Next is the kill switch. So guys, as I explained, kill switch function is the same in both. It helps you to protect your IP leak as soon as your VPN connection drops. You know guys, right? So here is a permanent kill switch, here is the kill switch on, and here is the kill switch off. So you can kill switch on is the option that I personally want. Now let's go on profiles. What happens in profiles? Here you have recommended fastest as well as random. So it depends upon what kind of profile you need. Now starting about the countries which are available, there are a lot. As we read, it's 117 free VPN connections that you get, and these are spread across the entire world. Let's say these are the various parameters on which a particular VPN connection is judged. So let's say we talk about Kuwait, right? So this is all these countries, most of them are included in the paid version, right? Tunisia, then we go Algeria, then is Libya, and so on. Now let's try to connect, and for what we need to do? Quick connect. Here we are going to be connected some free network that's available. That is, now here we are getting what? Netherlands, and it's free. It's assigning an IP, and eventually it is getting connected to this particular area, that is Netherlands. And to cancel your disconnect your complete connection, you just need to click here cancel. So basically that's how you basically do the task, right? So guys, I hope that you guys get a lot of insightful information from this video and learned about the two most best free VPNs available in 2025. That's it guys. So for more such kind of videos, we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.